come up with it?
Whoa,
that's a nice size one.
Come on, pull it up more.
Yeah, get it out of the water.
Come on.
There you go. Okay, I got it. That's a walleye, that one.
Is that big enough?
No, that's still too small.
What? No.
This is Newman the Gnome and some heater upgrades for the second day. So update for the diesel heater for the ice shack, that I used some 3 to 4 inch rubber adapters on the cold side or the intake side, and also for the hot side. I'm hoping it's going to do okay. I was using like really thin plastic adapters before with no issues, and I cut about a foot out of this hose. I left a little bit longer than the intake side. I'm hoping the flap of my portable will sit right over top rather than have longer lines. Be nice if it was insulated, but for the price of the insulation, I'm going to wait and try this first. And they fit perfect into those adapters, so you just slide her in when you need to use it, slide her out when you're done. I gotta put the cover back on, put it all back together. Controller upgrade, ECU upgrade, so I can tweak this heater like I can on my other one. And yeah, so we'll see how this one works tomorrow. Side, I just took a hose clamp there, reused one of the screw holes on that side, open it up, put a new screw in there so it's tucked up out of the way. Cold air side, just a 3 to a 4 inch adapter. I had to hole saw that out to accept that coupler to go in there onto a 94 inch to a 4 inch dryer vent, duct taped, nothing fancy, just helps recirculate the air. And then here on this other side I had to upgrade the ECU and the controller so I can make this tunable. I've mentioned that before. And then same couplers on this side, exhaust facing away from the fishing tent. I got a second 12-volt battery on the truck, so that's what's feeding that. Gotta start it up every now and again. It's an Equinox Fish In Estate. It's about a 6.5 foot, something like that, square shack. I might do a wood stove upgrade. I'm just looking into it. I'd rather have this thing nice and toasty warm, especially on those cold days. Like I was saying, it's about -8 or something today, -9. It's humid too. Not catch anything, but that's the ice fishing setup anyways. Hardly any snow out here. anyways, yeah, so it seems to work. We'll give her a testy, and if not, I might take that, move it inside, pipe the exhaust out, and try that again. Biggest thing is, especially when you're dealing with these good old colder temperatures, is to be able to recirculate that air. Makes your heaters more efficient, your diesel heaters. This is just an Amazon one. Some of the controllers are tunable and some are not. This one is. I rated that one off my other diesel here. I have a new controller coming, or anyways, so I'm not too concerned. And yeah, they're different ECUs. Definitely, they're not cross-compatible. I tried to use the original controller with this ECU and they're not compatible. I read that they weren't, but I figured I'd try it out just for heck of trying it out, but no dice. Anyways, back to fishing. Got nothing yet. Well, out for the day. Fresh air. Cloudy. It's not very nice out. Anyways, talk to you guys later. That was it. Slow day. Folks, keep your water systems and riverways clean. Try to take all your garbage with you. Actually, don't try. Just do it. Take your garbage and everything with you. That's it for this day of fishing. Take care.